Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about toggle command in Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my WinProLadder software and we will connect to a PLC and click it no, click it auto check and click it OK and click it yes. Now which program is in your PLC, that will be backed up and click it OK and this. Now in my PLC not have any program, this is the blank, so we will write a program in the PLC. So today's topic is toggle command. We go to the functions and here we will go to the output operation section. In previous lecture we discussed about difu and difd command, and now I will explain about toggle command. You can click it here, also you can choose, and also you can here write as a T O double G after you can got the command and click it OK. Now in this toggle command he is saying this, in this command you can use the output bits IR output relays Y0 to 255, means total 256 you can use, and also internal memory M0 to M900 1911 you can use, and also S0 to 999. So I will choose for example M0 and click it OK, and one open contact we will take for execute this command. For example X0 I will choose to execute this command, and small program for make with the help of this command look like a latch unlatch or set reset or on off, any name you can give. This is the, here we choose one open contact of M0 and enter, and then one output we will take for example Y0. Y0 will be any your output, maybe of your motor or maybe of your pump or any relay or something, any this output you can choose. For example, think about this is your motor output. I will give also this comment in submission motor, motor motor, and this will be maybe your input and this is your output. And in next one more we will take output contact of X1 for the reset of our Y0, because of when it's giving the signal it will be hold and this will like to be off, must be we have to give one more signal. So Y0 again we will put for a reset condition, and simply this program we will download to the PLC. And now we will give the one signal, just one signal to this command X0. When I give the signal, see this is now Y0 is set. Simply as you give the signal of Y1 or X1, your command will be, your motor will be off. This M0 is now going to set condition because of this is the hold toggle system. This we have to be first close this one. As I give this one signal to the X0, it will be on and make it off. But one mistake we will make, for what? because of this function is look like, one second, see now this function how you can use this is directly also you can use this, no need this y0 reset condition also, because of I think editing also we can online edit the program, this back go, and this no need this is for set, yes make it, and this is also we will make it just on coil, no need for set condition. See now you see the work how this is working because of toggle command. What's the meaning? Toggle command is one click is on, second click is off, yani look like a toggle button. As you give the one signal, for example, see this is hold now and your signal is not have. As you give one another signal, after your y0 will be closed. See, as you give one signal it will be hold, second signal it will be closed, on off, on off. See, means latch and latch you can make with a single click and single bit only just, and this command why used in the program? Because of to shortcut making of the program. You can create the logic and you can make the short your program. No need to long program write in the PLC. After long program creating some problems, finding troubleshooting problem in hardware, also too many buttons needs also. There is a on the clipboard you can take this single button only just and start stop function you can put inside, and also this is the function you can use in the logic when you make create the logic. For example, one conveyor is running and your bottles upside running, you say when my signal is coming, when my pinpoint reach at the at any pinpoint, when you make the on this signal giving, after your conveyor will be start or stop. This way also you can use this. It's depend on your logic creation. When you're using in the program you will see how you can use, but in this lecture only just this learning purpose you have to be understand of the function of this toggle command. Basically this toggle command designed as a toggle button. Once you make it click OK, it's on, second click it will be off, on off, next signal it will be on, again give it will be off, again signal you give it will be on. Simple. Set reset also you can say this is one just with one single click. So I hope you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.